So let's talk about how the next Asantehema would be chosen in the coming weeks. Ama Konadu Yiadom III is sadly deceased. The Asante Kingdom reportedly lost its queen mother, Nana Ama Konadu Yiadom III, on Thursday, August 7, 2025. The queen's death was confirmed by the Asantehene, Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, on Monday, August 11, 2025. You know, the Asantehemaa is actually the second most powerful person in Asanteman, serving as the co-custodian of the Golden Stool alongside the Asantehene. However, the latter is the sole occupant of the stool. From Asantehemaa to Konadu Yiadom III, women of wisdom and integrity have, occupied the throne as queens. The Queen of Asanteman also plays a major role in choosing the king. The Asantehene is expected to nominate a successor to the late Konadu Yiadom III, who was his elder sister within 2 weeks of her burial. After a new queen mother is installed, she will, together with the Asantehene, organize the final funeral rites of the late Nana Ama Konadu Yiadom III in a year. Who can the Asantehene nominate as the next Asante queen? Despite Asantehene's unilateral power in decision-making, he cannot select the next Asante queen independently. First, Akan traditions require that the Asantehema or Asantehene come from the Oryoko royal clan. Besides being an Oryoko royal, the Asantehema must be a woman of integrity, wisdom, and deep knowledge of Asante customs. The selection process involves respected elders and royals from the rightful lineage. The key royals involved in this process are the Okofuhamaya, the paramount queen mother of Kokofu, currently Osajifo Kisiwa Mua Baria II, and the Queen of Kenyasi. Both queens are from the Oryoko clan, and one of them will be chosen to serve as acting Asantehema until a new one is installed. After the Oryoko royals complete their deliberations, they will consult other respected royals for their input on the suitable candidate for the Asantehema. The next step is to inform the Asante Traditional Council of the decision made by the royal clan. The council will then verify whether all steps in the selection process adhered to established traditions. Asanteman would be kept waiting for a while before a new queen is installed.